Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you this week. Amy is off gallivanting with women here at brunch today, and she deserves it. She works really hard with her new job. She's now a professor, so that is pretty awesome. It's been her dream job for a long time. Today we've got 3 dishes, one that's tried and true, 2 that we've experimented with, but we have got a lot of great colors right here. And I always love color. It just makes me feel like I'm doing something right. So let's come on over here to the first dish. We have got a chicken sausage and veggie dish right here. And really what makes this different is the sweet potatoes in here. It sounded good at the time, so we'll see if that's gonna be good for us. But the sweet potato just basically has sesame oil with some Old Bay salt and pepper. And you roast that in the oven along with the Brussels sprouts, which is just simple salt and pepper, actually just salt. And then as that's going, I sauteed the chicken sausage with nothing, just got it brown. And then it's on a bed of cauliflower rice, which I put some lime juice, onion, and garlic powder in there. And I let that cauliflower rice saute for quite a long time, let it brown up, let it crisp up as much as I can. That should be a pretty good dish all the way around. Good flavors in there. So we got literally just protein and veggies in that dish. Coming over here, we have got a Hawaiian shrimp bowl. Been wanting to make this for quite a while, and I changed it up quite a bit. But the shrimp, you saute the shrimp in Worcestershire, sriracha, honey, and some other spices. Let that saute for about 20 minutes. Put the pan on high, and then just drop that shrimp in there. Let it saute a bit, and then I actually put it under the broiler for about 2 or 3 minutes to get it to brown as much as I could. It's on a bed of jasmine rice, always our favorites. I bought a jar of smoked mango, grilled smoked mango, and we've got some big pieces in there. Really good sweetness to go with the roasted corn on a bed of purple cabbage, and then we've got some crema right here, which is just Greek yogurt, some lime juice, and cilantro, a little bit of honey in there because the lime got a little bit much for me. So honey, I hope that tastes good. And then I decided to pickle some red onions. Guys, pretty easy. You just slice these as thin as you can. Fill the jar halfway with vinegar, halfway with water, and then just a tablespoon of salt and sugar. And that should be good. Actually, you probably don't need that much salt. I think I put about a teaspoon each in here, not a tablespoon. I always do it by hand. So probably about a teaspoon of each. Coming over here, this one's tried and true. This is our stuffed sweet potato with ground turkey and some taco seasoning. So it's got fire roasted tomatoes in there. Actually, we did Mexican flavored diced tomatoes in this one this week. And then I roasted some green beans, and I've got about a quarter of an avocado that's wrapped up in plastic there. Simple dish, top it with a little bit of cheddar cheese, makes it great. Obviously, I'm gonna put some Greek yogurt and hot sauce on top of that. But a great, easy dish to get your starches, your proteins, a little bit of veggies in there as well. Guys, look at these dishes, so beautiful. I love them. Hopefully you love them too. Let us know what you think, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. All right, take care, bye-bye.